아침부터 이렇게 예쁜 거야. Yeah. God, so cute.
Can you help me?
Yeah, what's up?
I need kids like to get jacket on and everything.
Okay, let's go and check it.
Ruben. Ruben. Kiwi, what are you doing there?
Jealous boy's back.
Ruben, you know your name is not Kiwi, your name is Ruben. Always likes to be on top of the head, you know that, right? Manager's really nice. He helps us out.
I have
What did I have last time here that was really good?
chai latte.
Chai latte. Oat milk. 첫 소리가 너무 많아. 한개 why yours is small, mine big? 여기 차이 라떼 진짜 맛있어. Oh my gosh, is this for real? For real? For real?
Good.
Ooh, Hangi, this is amazing. Like they made this hummus and they put avocado. What an idea. Look at this. 타일이 이런 게 들어갔다. I think this is from our tire last time. Right? I bought this at Whole Foods. With this. I got 2 of the Just eggs, frozen ones. Peyton loves these, like she loves it. These are bake at home frozen croissant. You bake it at home and it's so good. Frozen strawberries. I got some bananas. I got Beyond breakfast sausage vegan. And the flat sausages, classic. I think, Hunky, you like this one, right?
What is that?
These sausages. I'm not really into the sausages, but I got 2 corn on the cob, They are frozen and they're organic, and I love it because they come like, you know, individual, like half portions, so it's really good for lunch. I make them for lunch. Hangi picked these out. Hangi said chicken and tenders.
That is good.
Chicken nuggets, but we've never tried this one, so let's try it. It's vegan. What's this? Vegan. It's cauliflower wings. I don't know. It's frozen. We'll see. Again, another breakfast link or breakfast patties. This is really good. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't believe this. I've saved it for the last. So I can't believe Tate's made vegan. Look at this. Vegan. This is also right here, see? Vegan. I mean, chocolate chip. This vanilla maple cookie. Last time we had this, it was so good. Do you remember, Hangi? It was amazing. This was amazing, but we're gonna try this one too. So that was my whole food. Oh yeah. That's good, Pepe.
He worked with a bunch of
Why?
Can you tell us
Which one? The
that
mango?
it's vegan? The whole soup.
Oh. No. Why are you putting
Amber.
Yes.
You know Starbucks?
Yes.
If I get you Starbucks, what are you gonna do for me?
Live.
What?
Live.
Amber.
Yes.
Everybody says, how come you never help out in the morning with lunches? Because Peyton always comes down and she helps. How come you don't help out? What's your excuse?
Peyton just changes her clothes. I actually do. I actually wash my face next to her. Did you know that?
She washes her face too and she brushes her teeth.
Yeah,
And she
but
does
I
her
also
hair.
brush my teeth, and I also put on makeup. Not makeup, but this stuff like
So you need more time in the morning
yes,
for your beauty care.
yes, and also because
Because?
I sleep right after. Because I go back to sleep.
Do you like my lunch?
What?
Do you like my lunch?
Yes.
So many people complaining that I don't pack you enough. They say it's not healthy. Some people say it looks like you guys would hate it. So what do you think about that?
You probably picked our kids popcorn.
How do you rate my lunch?
I think it's 10 out of 10. It's
10 out of 10?
yes, like
For real?
lunch is like a snack. It's not like supposed to be a full course meal, you know?
Full course meal at lunch.
No.
You're probably one of them that eat the most, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Peyton told me some of her classmates bring chips to school.
A lot of my classmates just bring chips, yogurt, etc.
Can you hear that? Did you hear that?
Yes.
What would you do if one day I stop packing your lunch and say, okay, from now you're going to eat school lunch? No, school lunch is free right now because the pandemic is going on. Eat whatever is given to you at school. What would you do?
I mean,
Would you get mad at me?
I wouldn't get mad. I just get sad.
Would you be sad?
Yeah.
So if I want to make you sad, just stop packing your lunch?
You know, I did to you.
Are you threatening me over lunch?
Yes. I need to tell. Sorry, Mom, I'm busy.
Alright, let's go get Starbucks. Amber, come here. Put your face next to me. You know, people say you and I, we look alike the most. Alright. How about I follow your face first, okay? Because you could do it better. You make a face and I'll try to follow you, okay? No, you gotta stay one. You gotta stay at one face. Okay, now you follow me, okay? Alright, let's go.